So hi, in this session we'll discuss how to draw some different shapes of callouts and how to draw some stars. Okay, so how to draw some stars and how to draw some callouts. Okay, now we'll see these two shapes are useful while designing of our graphics. So these two are different shapes and you can get it from the toolbox. If you observe, this is a toolbox. So in this toolbox, if you just click here, this is the basic shape tool, and if you click the down arrow, you can find the callout shape. So next to your banner shape, you can find out callout shape. Just click on it. So the property box will open on the status bar for your callout. So this is the style of your callout. So if you click here, you can find different styles, and this is the line style and this is the width of the outline. So if you want, you can select any one of the callout style. So you can just select it and you can just drag it. So if you want to go for a different style, you can just select it and you can just pick whatever the callout style you wish. You can drag it and you can select it from here and you can just drag it like this. So these three are my callout shapes. So if I want, I can just select it and you can go and fill with some colors. Just fill it. So you can just fill with some colors. So this is my callout shape, and for this, if I want, I can apply some colors for my callouts. This is nothing but a shape. So while creating the graphics, you can go and just select some shapes. If you want such kind of shapes while just creating it, this is a callout shape. So very interesting shape. You can just fill this with a different color. You can just click on the color and you can go for uniform filling, and you can just select the whatever the color you would prefer. So these three are a very good shapes for my callout. So wherever you want, you can just adjust this in your page. So if you want to write some text on this, you can just write it. So just select your text tool and click on it and you can directly type the text. So if you want to increase the font of your text, just pick your tool and just select it and just increase your font. Okay, right. So maintaining this. So if you want to type something, select and just click here, or if before clicking it here, okay, so you can just select your text tool and go for font size and just select the font size for your artistic text. Say okay and click here and just type your text. So whatever the text you want, you can just type it. You can just select it and you can select your text, and if you want, you can just increase the font size. So you can even change the font, right? So this is how I can enter a text on my callout. So these two are the other callout styles. So you can do it with some, you can mix up with some text and you can mix up with some other graphics while going for a graphic application. Okay, next another shape is a star shape. You can find it here in the polygon tool. If you click here, if you click the down arrow for the polygon, you can find star and complex star. You can just select star and you can just drag it, your star. So you can select the star tool, go for a complex star, you can just drag it. And if you select your star, the properties of the star is these three, and this is the points or the number of sides that you are having for the stars. Okay, now this is sharpness. If you want to adjust the sharpness, you can go and adjust the sharpness, and this is the number of sides, and this is the outline thickness for your star. So I'm just selecting this, and if I'm just increasing, see the sides, you can observe the sides of my star are really increasing. So I made it as a sun shaped star. I can just select it and you can go for fill color and just say uniform fill color, and you can just give the color for your star. And you can just select this star and you can go for fill color if you want, and you can give whatever the color. You can just select it from the fill tool. This is the star. If you want to reduce the sides, just pick the tool and select it, and here you have, see, if I'm just keep on decreasing, my star sides are decreased. If I keep on increasing, the star shape is increased, sides are increased. So this is how you can just create the stars. So if you want to go for only 4 sides, you can just give 4 sides and you can just say enter. If you want to increase the width, you can just increase the width of the star. Now if I am just selecting a normal star, just go on, click the polygon tool, just select your star and you just drag it on your, see, I can just drag it like this, or I can move it like this, however I want, I can just do it. So this is my star. So however I want, you can just drag your star and you can just paste it. So this is the star sides 5. So you have, if you observe this, the 5 side star, you can find it. You can apply some filling for this. You can select some fillings. So this is how you can just create the callouts and the stars.